When you first boot, you will probably be greeted with these skip, language, enter, country, continue, accessibility, skip, Wi-Fi, enter, continue, migration assistant, bottom left, Apple ID login, or bottom left. Login, security. Sell your soul, I agree. Set your name and your password. Make your account name as short as possible. Profile pic, done. Continue, load. Leave on location, switch off the rest. Continue. Dark mode is probably enabled because of my Apple ID. Continue. Enter your criminal record. Continue. This part is only relevant if you have Apple Pay. Set up later or skip. Ta-da! MacOS version whatever. Fix your battery. Well done. Dock apps are useless. Drag them out to remove them. Or right-click, Options, Remove from dock. Launchpad is a different, unnecessary way to launch apps. Right-click, Remove from dock. If you want to, try out the other stock apps. Then remove all unnecessary apps. Oui. Ja. Kaya. Juhu. Zoom. Yi. Wee. Juhu. Keep these 4 stock apps and the browser of your choice. Next. Do not commit a war crime. Right-click a divider. Turn hiding on. This gives you extra screen space and, more importantly, declutters your view. To keep new applications in the dock, right-click, Options, Keep in dock. Finally, right-click a divider, Dock Settings. 2 changes here. Disable showing recent applications. Change the minimize effect to scale. This minimizes windows faster. There you go. That's a functional dock. Most of the system settings can be found in one place, the System Settings app. The search bar right here works quite well and you can easily find what you're looking for. Disable natural scrolling if preferred. Scroll, bam. While we're at it, let's enable tap to click for a smoother experience. Now, there are some options here that might mess you up if you're not aware of them. For example, multi-finger gestures that might suddenly hide all of your windows and make you panic. Let's disable them. Next, let's customize the menu bar, the bar on top of the screen. Search menu bar. Okay, all of these controls are also hidden under the control center up here. But if I could, I would remove that one as well. Set sound to always show. Set Bluetooth to show. Next, disable Siri. Scroll, click Siri. Disable. Lastly, dark mode. Click appearance, click dark mode, flashbang disable. Red X to close the system settings. Click Finder. This is your file system. Drag useless things out of the sidebar. Drag out items to remove them. Next, right-click the top bar. Select username. Drag relevant directories to the sidebar. Drag the user directory to the sidebar. Drag out iCloud items. Leave network. Right-click the top bar. Select top-level MacBook name. Drag hard drive to sidebar. This is the top level of your file system. Lastly, Remove tags from the sidebar. Zoom. Kaya. Select List View. It shows extra info and you can sort items. Right-click the top bar. Select Customize Toolbar. Remove these. Yay. Done. macOS has no Go one level up button. It's stupid. To go one level up, right-click directory title here and select the item one level up. Close this. Open another Finder window. By default, recent items are shown. Finder. Settings. New Finder window. Set to something sensible. Finder done. Double-click to open files or folders. To rename, select item, hit return, rename. One of the most useful features in macOS is the help in the menu bar. Click help and search for anything you might want to do. For example, new window. When you hover over the results, the submenu will open up. The submenu will show you both where this shortcut is located and what your actual keyboard shortcut is. This way, you can seamlessly learn any new keyboard shortcuts in any new applications. Most applications share the basic keyboard shortcuts. Command N for new windows. Command W to close a window. Command Q for quit. How to install apps. Let's install an app called Rectangle. Browser window. Rectangle. Enter. Go. Rectangle Mac. Download. Allow. Download button. Double click. Most apps have the same installation procedure. Open a drive, like this one. Drag your app into Applications. Now eject the installation drive. Either right-click and eject, or eject it from a Finder window. Do not accidentally start your app from within the drive. All apps can be found here. Start typing the name of the app to quickly select it. Double-click or Command O to open your current selection. Open System Settings. Allow. Enter password. This is needed because macOS prevents apps from taking over your computer by default. Rectangle adds better window management for macOS. Set up your shortcuts. Now, drag windows for partitioning or use shortcuts. Bottom top right, left, bottom left, bottom right, top right, bottom left, bottom right, up, down, right, left, maximize, file, close window, or Command W, app name, quit, or Command Q. This is macOS Fullscreen. I advise to avoid it. To exit, go top left and hit the green button. Instead, maximize the window by double-clicking the bar or using Rectangle. Next app recommendation, Obsidian. Note-keeping and markdown files. App name, hide, or Command H. This hides the app while keeping it running. Next, Microsoft To-Do, a simple to-do app sadly purchased by Microsoft. Quit. Search Notion. Click. Click here to download. Download here. Intel or Apple Silicon? If you have an M1, M2, etc., select Apple Silicon. If older, Intel. If app downloads do not have separate options, they'll work on both machines. Same procedure as every time. Open, drag, and eject. Notion is another note-taking / organizational app. Hold Command, Tab, Q, Q, Tab, Q, Tab, let go. Next, Stats Mac. Scroll, scroll. Download here. Yup. La 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 la. Yup. Eject. Stats is a hardware monitor in the menu bar. CPU, RAM, temperatures. Go customize it. Next, here's another way to install apps. Command space. App Store. Enter. Search. Flow. Enter. Get. Install. Load. Get. Password. Correct password. Enter. Open. This app is now in your applications folder. Untick this. Start using. Flow is a Pomodoro timer that helps you to take breaks. Set up durations and start. Now, while you're working, it will interrupt you with a full screen break timer. Timer shows up here in your menu bar. Last app. For menu bar, declutter, use hidden bar. Enable start when login. Drag to the left of this divider to hide. Hold Command and drag to reorder. Click caret to hide, and unhide, and hide. Close.
Bruh.
Browsers. Install your preferred browser: Safari, Chrome, Firefox. Command space. Chrome. Where a install uBlock Origin or equivalent. Add extension. Extensions. Done.
FBI, open up!
The touchbar kinda sucks. Here are some tips. Open System Settings. Search for Touchbar. Click here. Then click Customize Control Strip. Now you can drag items in or out. Remove Siri. This volume slider is stupid. There is this alternate button control in expanded mode. Drag this shit out. Yeep. Yeah. Yeep. Whee! Let's add a spacer to this. Very nice. Select Show Expanded Control Strip to show the expanded selection permanently, or select F keys to invert the function key. Okay, done. And 1, 2, 3, and 2 to Macs have notches. Get rid of them using top notch. Top notch. Click. Bling. Blung. Download. Click to unzip. Open image. Drag. Eject. Command space. Top notch. Agree. Side note. See login items here. Up here, click. Enable. Notch destroyed. Notch destroyed. Whoa. 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 Rama. Subscribe this video. Subscribe this like video. like this video.